If you want to travel more for less money, you're in the right place because me too. I'm constantly hunting for the best budget travel hacks and bringing them to you. Today, I'm covering more of Frontier Airlines, not the GoWild Pass this time, which I do have, but I have found some other ways that you can save money without the GoWild Pass, especially the elusive Frontier Low Fare Finder, which is hard to find, and I'm going to go over exactly how to utilize that with the discount den to get tickets ahead of time, not last minute like the GoWild Pass. We're talking weeks or months ahead, flights for like $19 a segment. What? I'm going to walk you through step by step. It's going to be so easy for you. Let's go. First, we're going to head to Fly Frontier. You can log in or not. You don't need to be a GoWild Pass member to see these deals. You'll see what the prices are even if you're not a member. So we're going to do it anonymously here just for the sake of this. Let's go to the deals section up here. We're just going to go down here and they have our most popular flight deals. You can just check these out for some ideas if you want. But if you know your home airport, you can put that in here. And keep in mind, sometimes there are airports like for me, I'm in New Jersey and I can use Newark, LaGuardia, JFK, Philadelphia, all within like an hour of each other. So sometimes one of them is going to give you great deals, direct flights, and the other ones are going to be more expensive, indirect flights and stuff. So play around with that. We'll use Newark for this. Then you can kind of look down at these. So we're seeing Newark to San Juan. We're seeing Atlanta, we're seeing Newark doesn't have a lot of direct flights, FYI. Philadelphia is the best in this area. We're seeing Chicago. So that's all we have out of Newark right now in the next few months. And so that's cool. We can also add our budget, let's say 19. This is what you can get. You can get Newark to Atlanta. That's it. Not great. So we're going to use Philadelphia because this is going to give us a ton more options. And we're going to change to Philadelphia. Then again, let's see some of the stuff we've got. Orlando, Tampa, San Juan. Let's see some more. Don't worry about the dates here. We can see more options. These are just giving us some ideas of the cities. Fort Lauderdale, Fort Myers, let's see, Miami, $19. West Palm Beach. Ooh, okay. So we're just gonna be like, okay, I wanna go, let's go to Miami. So we will click book now and just search that one. Don't worry about your parameters yet. This is where the magic happens. See right here where it says low fare calendar. This is where you're gonna go. Click that. And this is gonna show you by month the daily lowest fares. So you can see how much it varies by day. Most of these lowest fares they're showing you, like the $19 ones, most of those are gonna require discount den membership, which is amazing. Usually you can get 1 year of it for free included if you get their credit card. So that's what I have. You can book yourself and up to 8 others on one reservation with the discount den discount. So that's amazing. Even if you don't have GoWild Pass, Discount Den is amazing on its own, but they work well together because the GoWild Pass you can use to book like a last minute tomorrow ticket. And if you're scared to risk coming back and not being able to find the GoWild last minute ticket, you can book ahead with the Discount Den ticket, which is sometimes cheaper than the GoWild ticket. Crazy, I know. And in this case, like the $19 discount den tickets are only like $4 more than the last minute GoWild tickets. So something to keep in mind here. You could do GoWild Pass or you could just do the discount den. If you need tickets further ahead, like guaranteed tickets, the discount den is gonna be a much better deal for you. But I have both, so I'm gonna enjoy this next year of having both, and then after that, I will decide I might just proceed with the discount den. Let's just see, for example, we click the $19 ticket and we continue, and there we go. So in this case, for January 19th, it's $99 for the GoWild ticket because it's so far ahead. You're paying a lot for that early reservation, but we could just get the $19 discount den ticket. It's direct flight, Philadelphia to Miami, $19, y'all. 19. Discount Den is $59.99 annual cost, $40 enrollment. So if you, the first time you get it, it's like $99, and then after that, you could just keep renewing it for $60, I think. But look, it's $19 if you have Discount Den, but even if you don't have that, it's only $29. Like, so cheap. But that's only with like one tiny personal item, don't forget. So you do need to have status or the credit card to get your free like carry-on and check bags and stuff. Otherwise you're gonna pay for that and it's not gonna be any cheaper than a regular flight. So let's continue here with the Discount Den. With gold status, one cool thing is that you can cancel a reservation at least a week ahead. And you either get a full refund or it deposits into credit for future use. I'm not sure what the case is, but that's cool to remember as well if you have gold status, which you get if you have their credit card. So that's how easy it is. Let's look at some other ones. Let's go to JFK and let's see where it's going for cheap. We can go to San Juan for $38. We can go to Orlando, Miami, these are all 19, Atlanta, 19, Los Angeles, 72, that's not a good deal. Las Vegas, 54, you can do much cheaper. I've seen much cheaper. Let's look at LAX and we'll just see what we can find. We're just gonna go through. Now we're gonna hit that low fare calendar. And here we go. So in February, 54 is the cheapest you can find with Discount Den. In January, 72 is the best. And in March, 54. In April, 72. I'll show you how to do the GoWild pass. So let's check out Philadelphia to Guatemala City, and you click here and it shows you which dates it's going to operate. So this is today. Let's look at tomorrow. So there you go. If there's a GoWild pass optional, it's going to be here, and then you click on it. Some flights, they don't have it as an option. Sometimes they're sold out or they're not even offered. It's fun to play around and stuff. So it's $39 to fly tomorrow from Philadelphia through Atlanta to Guatemala City. And I also saw it was also available from JFK and Newark. So amazing. And then it's usually best to book these one way, not round trip, but you do want to make sure there is a round trip option coming back. So let's check that out. Guatemala City back to Philadelphia, and then the options are 16th, 17th, and 19th. So we'll check out the 17th. We want to have enough time to go to Antigua and see the active volcano and relax on Lake Atitlan. So there we go. GoWild Pass coming back is more expensive because of the American airport taxes and fees, I believe. So this one is $90 to come back. So we're talking $129, if I'm doing my math right, round trip from Philadelphia to Guatemala City and back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, again, that's the basic fare. That does not include any carry-on or checked baggage, just like a teeny tiny personal item. But if you have the credit card and you meet the minimum spend, you're gonna get gold status, and that gives you a free carry-on. And then with the credit card, you also get 2 free check bags. So that's amazing. I really recommend having the credit card if you're using Frontier. And the Discount Den is another perk of the credit card. It's just amazing. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You can just save so much money, and this is not like luxury travel, okay? Frontier is kind of like, I think of it as like the Greyhound of the skies or the Ryanair of America. Don't expect luxurious travel, even though they are opening up first class seats soon. They're not gonna be, you know, full recline and stuff like that. If you have status, you can get free upgrades at booking or at check-in if they're available. Bring your own food and beverages, save money there. If you're not looking for high-end luxury suites and stuff like that, you could save so much with these flights and then use that money that you save on really cool activities at the destination or higher end hotel. I mean, just amazing. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or what you want me to show you next. I have been using low-cost carriers a lot over the years for myself, for my family. We've used Frontier, Spirit, Play Airlines before it shut down. We flew to Iceland for $280 round trip from New York. We've used French Bee to fly to Paris. It was like 400 round trip. We've flown JetBlue, we've flown all of them. Big fan over here. You do need to make sure you have insurance because especially with the low-cost carriers, they don't have alliances, they don't have several flights a day. So if the flight gets canceled or super delayed, you're kind of in trouble. You might be stuck at that location for another day or two or more. So if you have good insurance, I always use Alliance. That can help, and it might cover your extra hotel nights while you're waiting for your flight to be rescheduled. So if you're using a low-cost carrier, it's an extra reason to have good insurance, but even with that extra cost, it's still so cheap. I got the annual insurance. That way I don't even have to worry about it anymore. It's all paid and I'm just covered for the year. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with.